Good morning, good evening. It's March 8th in Pacific time, and happy Women's Day, everybody. We'll be, I'll just quickly introduce the agenda for today, and then we'll, do a couple community roundup items, and then jump onto the encore presentations. Kenny and Katrina both are logged in, so fantastic. So from a community highlight point of view, we are, there's a hackathon in progress in collaboration with MLOps community. So I think the date for signing up has already passed, but there are about 12 teams, lots of folks in each team. And the goal is to basically build end-to-end applications on Flyte and the mostly machine learning applications, and hopefully we'll be showcasing a bunch of those applications on April 5th or the March 22nd. So we're still deciding which one will be coming. It's supposed to be completed by April 5th, so it might be the 5th. And after that, on a conclusion of the hackathon, we'll also be having a sync up on the MLOps community channel, so stay tuned. We'll probably do a demo there. So yeah, lots of, and thank you for everybody for joining. I don't know if all the folks who are part of the hackathon know how to join this sync. It's on us to probably share better. On the other hand, as usual, the office hours, I see a lot of people ask questions, and some of these office hours go beyond 30 minutes. They go to like an hour and a half at times. So thank you for joining and the continued interest. We'll be doing that again tomorrow, Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. Pacific time and 9 p.m. Pacific time. And a quick look at what's going to happen after this sync. The next sync is March 22nd. We are doing, I think there is one demo that I'm missing out, but maybe we are doing, we'll talk about intra-task checkpointing and how you can use to recover from failures for long-running tasks natively using Flyte. And then we'll also be showing Flyte decks, a new feature that probably will help a lot of people. So stay tuned. And I think there is one of the users also presenting. I think we're still working on the timeline for them versus DriveWorks versus like Spotify and so on. On April 5th, it'll be DriveWorks talking about their Chariot platform that they've built on top of Flyte, and they'll be doing a live demo with Jupyter Notebooks and Flyte and all of that. So stay tuned. And yeah, we'll also be announcing the Engineering Labs hackathon winners. So a lot of people have asked questions on how to join this meeting. All of these events are available on the README within the community section or on the flyte.org homepage in the community section. It's an add event thing. It should automatically put an event on your calendar. It's great to actually put that event on your calendar. You don't have to join every time if you don't want to, but it's just easier to get things on. Another way to stay updated is the YouTube channel. Please subscribe, or even a newsletter that we publish mid of every month. So next one's slated in next week. So please subscribe to any of those. From a roadmap point of view, it's just going to be a quick overview. 0.19.3 is coming up this week. Lots of UI improvement, lots of Flyte remote improvements, and map task improvement. So yeah, it's a big release, but it's the one before the mega release that we're calling 1.0. And that's it. I wanted to get this over with quickly so that we can jump onto the presentations. And today we have Kenny from Latch, who will share their platform and all the cool stuff they're doing with and how they use Flyte for biocomputing. And then we'll have Katrina from the Union AI team just talk about, in general, go from the beginning of how do you author to what happens to and go through different modalities of a workflow.